Hi, in this video you're going to learn how to use the send and receive system. Send and receive system is these two up here, these two arrows up and down, and that are in several places in the program. For example, if we go to the advanced view, we have them here, and in the expert view as well. And it can serve you to interact with two compatible programs. So for example, you want to send it from this program to our contact your client program, and vice versa, or CRM companion, etc. So you can send records, one or many at the same time, through email. So the first step is to click the up arrow, and you need to check what fields do you want to send. Okay, so you can, let's say, gonna set all, for example, here, and these are special, the one-click group, the telemarketing groups, etc., or the extra fields. But in this case, you're gonna send everything except for these fields that are not checked, are in red. And then we're gonna click continue. Okay, so you can select current or selected. Selected would be these 100 fields, and current is going to be this field. So we have a total of 100 here now, and we're going to send it, and I'm going to send it by email, and I'm going to send it to the same email that I have here for testing, but in reality you will be sending it probably to a different email, or your email that can be imported either automatically with one click, or you can click the arrow down to retrieve the document that will be sent. So I'm gonna send it now. Okay, so it's sent. In this particular case, since I'm not working with two programs but with one, if I was working with a program that doesn't have email, like the CRM companion, you will be able to click the down arrow and look for the file that you should have in your hard drive. In this case, since I have here, I'm gonna retrieve it. Okay, so I'm retrieving that, and it tells you this email contains an attachment with our one record. So the attachment is here, and we're going to click on it. And in this particular case, because the program knows that we have the same ID, okay, so we have a kind of a problem here, because the program is protecting you from so I'm gonna add as new without asking, but in this case the program is protecting you, so you avoid importing the same record twice. Okay, normally if you don't have the program, if you don't have the record, then it will be imported without a problem. So in this case, for our testing, I'm gonna click add as new without asking. Okay, and that's it. Now we have 101. The one that we just imported is selected, and we have the same record with everything that I had originally. Okay, everything that I had originally is here. So if I go right now to, for example, if I click duplicate, I'm gonna find those two records. This is the first one that we had, and the new identical record, okay, here, with a different ID, by the way, with the different ID, as it should be, and that's it. That's as simple as that. Again, you're gonna be able to, in case that you don't have an email to import, you could use these and select the file that you should have in your hard drive. So you should put it in your hard drive, the file that it came through an attachment, and then you can select it and do the same without having an email system. And that is all. Thank you.